Hello everyone, my name is Marie and I'm an LOA at Arcus Lending. I work under Raul Rosado. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using my legal name, which is Diamond, for all of my accounts, as is required for an actual loan. Here I have some links to upload the items that I've been requested, along with the due date and the item numbered. If I scroll down, I can visit my loan portal directly. If you have yet to log into the loan portal from your device, it will ask for a password. The password is the last 4 digits of your social security number. We're going to go directly to My Documents, and it'll take us to the document storage and sharing page. I already have 2 documents uploaded, both W-2s, and then I have 4 documents that are still being requested from me. I'm going to go ahead and go right to this button right here, and it's going to open up this section for us. The description is not required, but it can help you if you want to see what you uploaded on the home page. Right where it says file, I can choose a file that I want to upload. This could be any picture that you've taken, or any document that you may have downloaded on your phone. I'm just going to choose a random photo right there, and I'm going to select if it's on the required list. Let's say this is my driver's license. Then I'm going to upload this document right here. It may take a little bit to load, and there we go. Now it's right here for me to see, and it's also uploaded for the loan officer as well. When I click home, it's going to take you back here. So it's not quite like the home page on your computer. Alright, if you need any more questions or concerns that you have, you can go to Raul Rosado info, and it'll show you his email, and you can also send a message that will be here for future reference. Thank you everyone, have a great day. We look forward to hearing from you soon.